Hmm. Hey, what's up, trader? It's Kat here from Hey, what's up, trader? It's Kat here from DesireToTRADE.com. Today, I thought I would show you a trade I just took. It's a trade I took yesterday. So yesterday was February 2nd, and I entered this trade based on support and resistance on a daily chart. So I'm gonna guide you through the exact process I took to enter the trade, and the exact thing I was looking for that trade. So basically, everything started, and everything always starts on a daily chart for me, or a weekly chart. In that case, it was a daily chart. So I was looking at that chart, the US and Singapore dollar, and I saw this level of support, well, of previous resistance that turned support here. So this horizontal line. And the other thing I saw was this trend line, which was basically putting together the low here and this low. So those two things came to the same level, about the same level. And yesterday I saw this big bullish candle, so which is like an engulfing candle on the daily chart. So the way I did this is once this candle closed, I went on a lower time frame. So what I did is that I used the 30-minute chart. So I'm gonna try to go right there. So there I am on the so there I am on the 30-minute chart. And what happened is yesterday there was some sort of consolidation here. So I saw the consolidation between this area. I'm just gonna draw it. So basically this area right here and this area right below. So we saw on the daily chart that the trend was up and we're looking to buy. So it was a support. We're looking to buy. So what I did is I waited for price to break out of this range. So the range kind of got a little bit smaller here, but at some point the price just broke above the range. So the buyers really took control over here. And there was a nice retracement just over that range, just over the previous level. So the way I did it is I entered a long trade right here. When I saw that there was a retracement, I just arrived on my screen at that time. So I entered the trade right away. Just put a stop loss below here, and I was able to get quite a nice profit. So I think I exited about here tonight. In fact, yesterday evening. So that's how I did it. So basically, the concept is really simple. You basically have to look at your trade on a higher time frame, meaning looking at levels of support resistance on the daily chart, and then you go lower to find a good entry. And by finding the good entry, you'll be able to get in at a much better price instead of waiting for, let's say, an engulfing candle on the daily chart. You're gonna be able to enter much sooner. You're gonna have a much tighter stop loss. And as as you saw this trade, I couldn't keep it a very long time because just this morning, the other position I had, because I entered two positions, so the second position this morning was closed at my stop loss below here, but I still got half of it with a good return basically. And this is the advantage of having to take profit basically. So I had my other position hanging, just waiting for myself to close it manually, and half of the position I closed earlier. So this is pretty much how I did it. So I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, you can follow me on YouTube. Just type in DesireToTRADE.com. Just type in DesireToTRADE on YouTube, and you'll find me there. And you can just subscribe, and I'll post other videos pretty soon. Ciao.